Car insurance policies in the USA are designed to provide financial protection in case of accidents involving vehicles. These policies vary in coverage options, costs, and regulations depending on the state, insurance company, and specific policy terms. Here are some key points to understand about car insurance policies in the USA. 1. Types of coverage. There are several types of coverage options available in car insurance policies, including liability coverage. This covers bodily injury and property damage you may cause to others in an accident. Collision coverage. This covers the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle if it's damaged in a collision, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage. This covers damage to your vehicle caused by incidents other than collisions, such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Personal injury protection, PIP, or medical payments coverage. This covers medical expenses for you and your passengers after an accident. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. This provides coverage if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have enough insurance coverage. 2. State requirements. Car insurance requirements vary from state to state in the USA. Each state sets its own minimum liability coverage limits that drivers are required to carry. Some states also require additional coverage, such as personal injury protection, PIP, or uninsured motorist coverage. 3. Policy premiums. The cost of car insurance premiums depends on various factors, including your driving history, age, gender, location, the type of vehicle you drive, and the coverage options you choose. Young drivers, drivers with a history of accidents or traffic violations, and those who live in high-risk areas typically have higher premiums. 4. Claims process. In the event of a car accident, the claims process involves notifying your insurance company, providing relevant details about the accident, and providing any necessary documentation. Your insurance company will then assess the situation and determine coverage and payout based on the terms of your policy. 5. Deductibles. Car insurance policies often include deductibles. A deductible is the amount you need to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Higher deductibles usually lead to lower premium costs, but you'll have to pay more in the event of a claim. 6. Optional coverage. In addition to the basic coverage options, insurance companies offer various optional add-ons or endorsements that can enhance your policy. These might include rental car coverage, roadside assistance, gap insurance, and more. 7. Shopping for insurance. It's important to compare quotes from different insurance companies to find the best coverage and rates for your needs. Many insurance companies offer online tools to get quotes and compare policies. Remember that specific details and regulations can change over time, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest information and requirements in your state. Always read and understand the terms of your insurance policy before purchasing or making a claim. Risk factors involved in car accidents, insurance policy, and USA. Car insurance premiums in the USA are influenced by a variety of risk factors that insurance companies consider when determining the cost of coverage. These factors help insurers assess the likelihood of an individual getting into an accident and making a claim. Here are some common risk factors that can affect car insurance premiums. 1. Driving record. A history of accidents, moving violations, and traffic citations can significantly increase insurance premiums. Drivers with clean records generally pay lower rates. 2. Age and gender. Younger drivers, especially teenagers, are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents. As a result, they tend to have higher insurance premiums. Additionally, Male drivers under 25 often have higher premiums than their female counterparts due to historical accident data. 3. Location. Where you live can impact your insurance rates. Urban areas and regions with higher traffic congestion and accident rates tend to have higher premiums than rural areas. 4. Type of vehicle. The make and model of your vehicle can influence insurance rates. Sports cars and luxury vehicles typically have higher premiums due to their increased risk of theft and higher repair costs. 5. Usage patterns. How often and for what purpose you drive your vehicle matters. Drivers who use their cars for commuting long distances or business purposes may face higher premiums. 6. Credit history. In some states, insurance companies use credit scores to assess risk. Drivers with poor credit history may be charged higher premiums based on the assumption that they are higher risk drivers. 7. Marital status. Married individuals often enjoy lower insurance rates compared to single drivers. This is based on the belief that married drivers tend to be more responsible behind the wheel. 8. Previous claims history. If you have a history of making insurance claims, it can impact your premiums. Frequent claims can label you as a higher risk driver. 9. Annual mileage. The more you drive, the more exposure you have to potential accidents. Drivers who log higher annual mileage might face slightly higher premiums. 10. Education and occupation. Certain education and occupation categories might be associated with more responsible driving behavior, potentially leading to lower premiums. 11. Anti-theft devices and safety features. Vehicles equipped with anti-theft devices, advanced safety features, and driver assistance systems might be eligible for discounts on insurance premiums. 12. Deductible choice. Choosing a higher deductible, the amount you're willing to pay out of pocket before insurance coverage kicks in, can lead to lower premiums. 13. Coverage limits and types. The types and levels of coverage you choose will affect your premium. Opting for higher coverage limits or additional coverage types will lead to higher costs. Insurance companies use complex algorithms to weigh these factors and assess the risk associated with each policyholder. As a result, the premium for a car insurance policy can vary significantly from one individual to another. It's essential to shop around, compare quotes, and understand how these risk factors affect your premium to make an informed decision. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful content. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all.